we're going to change this quadratic equation, and we're going to go from general form that it's in right now, and we're going to put it into standard form. So the way we're going to do that is we are going to complete the square. If you look at it right now, it doesn't factor into a perfect square. This constant right here is not the right number. We need this constant to be half of the middle coefficient squared. Okay, so half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. That is not 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my first two variable terms, x squared minus 10x. And then I'm going to add that perfect number, 10x. I'm going to add that perfect number right here. Now, sometimes we'll add that perfect number on both sides, but in this case, since I want my y to stay on the left, you see it's still on the left right there, I'm going to add this perfect number, and then I'm going to take it away. So whatever this number it is I'm going to add it in the red, I'm going to subtract it in the green, and that will give me the same as what I had before. So what number do I put in there? Well, half of the middle coefficient squared. Middle coefficient is 10. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Okay, and you can see here, all I'm really doing to the right side, I'm adding 25, and then I'm subtracting 25. So if these two would cancel out, I'd get what I started with. Now the reason I'm adding that is because now this is a perfect square binomial. All right, I'm going to factor just that part. It would be x and x, 5 and 5, minus and minus. And that's going to be x minus 5 squared. Okay, let me just drop down the 24 plus 24 minus 25. I'll put them together in the next step. And then here I have it. Y equals x minus 5 squared minus 1. And this is in standard form, also known as vertex form. And you can see that my h is right there. So my h is 5. And then you can see that my k is right here. And my k is -1. So if I did want to find the vertex, this is much more useful. My vertex would be 5, -1.